Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome to our FPT Industrial Press Conference and to our carbon neutral booth. I'm very happy to meet you all again here in Hanover. FPT Industrial is the third largest world player in industrial propulsions, leveraging on over a century of history and looking into the future. We design and produce diesel and natural gas engine together with transmission and axles and a complete lineup of electrified solution, E-propulsion, battery, and battery management system. Last year, we sold more than 760,000 units, out of which more than two-thirds were internal combustion engine, and close to 300,000 axle and transmission. And we initiated ramp-up of our e-powertrain lineup, with already more than 5,000 units produced. Together with customer service, these sales generated 4.3 billion euro of turnover. It is our responsibility to provide the world and the industry with sustainable powertrain to reduce our impact on the planet. But at the same time, it is our duty to make this solution economically sustainable as well, specifically from a TCO point of view. To meet this dual commitment, we have taken a multi-energy technology path, ensuring the best solution to fit each mission. This strategy is strongly based on two main technology streams: internal combustion engine and e-powertrain solutions. This is because we are driven, as always, by customer needs. Both OEMs and final user are looking for solutions to meet increasingly stringent emission and decarbonization targets. And we deliver a unique product and service combinations focused on their business. FPT is among the few players that offers internal combustion and electrified solutions for application ranging from light to heavy duty, with a unique involvement and deep understanding of our customer application, based on long-standing partnership and privilege, close relation, as well as a fleet of more than 300,000 of connected powertrains. Decarbonization on IC technology is already a reality, with HVO, biofuels, and biomethane, and in the near future, with hydrogen. We have been pioneering in e-powertrain applications to offer customers what they are the most interested: state-of-the-art performance and efficiency well integrated in their vehicle to cover all missions. Last but not least, sustainability is a key pillar for us and the entire Iveco Group, with strong ambition on our ESG program, which is based on 4 strategic sustainable priorities. Our ESG program has strong focus on carbon footprint and life cycle thinking, which are the heart of what we do and see us committed to decarbonize all processes. Design for sustainability inspires our product development and engineering. Our manufacturing practices are already today highly sustainable. 98% of our global electricity consumption derives from renewable sources. 99% of waste is recovered. And our e-powertrain plant in Torino is already 100% carbon neutral. We care about our carbon footprint in what we do, including our participation to this type of trade show. As an example, the environmental impact of our exhibition booth here at IAA is carbon neutral. From material to transport, everything has been brought to net zero. All the logistics has been done with Iveco S-Way, natural gas truck running on bio-LNG supplied by Shell, our partner for this initiative. We produce low to zero impact powertrain solution, which significantly reduce the emission of the vehicle in operation today. And we offer as well remanufactured product, which allows extensive reuse of component and minimize the waste of material. Our commitment to sustainability is the fil rouge, running through the product and service innovation we are unveiling here today. And let me introduce now and welcome on stage Pierpaolo Bifali, our Head of Product Engineering and Innovation, who will give you an overview of our innovation, starting with internal combustion technology. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sylvain. Good afternoon, all. So, internal combustion engines continue to be an essential element in our path to decarbonization. All our ICE products share 4 customer objectives. First of all, what we call cost efficiency, to offset the impact of increased complexity. And thanks to simplification and standardization of the product carried out since the design stage, all our engines have a high number of shared components, like X-Cursor 13, the first multi-fuel single-base engine developed in diesel, natural gas, and hydrogen version within the same platform. Our second objective is, of course, CO2 reduction and fuel economy, which we achieve combined on one hand, high content of innovation, on the other, the continuous improvement. Again, as an example, X-Cursor 13 has achieved 7% fuel saving with diesel and 80% with methane, compared to the baseline, to the latest baseline. The third objective, no less important, is what we call easy integration to the vehicle, thanks to flexible assembly features and the possibility to customize the connections. This simplifies significantly the engineering effort and the installation, making the entire process more efficient. And based on the same logic, we have also optimized serviceability. Fourth, and most important, we can provide our customer with the best experience. Our 340,000 connected units enable us to offer predictive and adaptive maintenance together with effective mission tuning. As you will hear later on from Sergio Carpentiere, this significantly improves the total cost of ownership and the uptime of the vehicle. And the engines you see here all have demonstrated all of this on our stand. The X-Cursor 13, let's start from our long haulage and heavy duty application engine produced in FPT Bourbon-Lancy plant. Diesel version is the ramp-up phase and natural gas starting production right now as we speak on the model year 24 Iveco truck S-Way, while the hydrogen version is under validation. The F1C, our 4-cylinder inline 3-liter for light commercial vehicle application, it's really the symbol of our global approach. It's really adopted worldwide, all around the world, Europe, South America, Japan, China, Middle East. And it has reached 2 million sales to date. But between light and heavy, of course, we have our NEF family over there. The F family also is showing today an important innovation, what we call the i10, the NEF67 i10. You see here in our stand. But what's i10? i10 is a blend of hydrogen together with natural gas, which in the case of our engine is mixed directly on board of the engine, adjusting the hydrogen rate, real time, maximizing the efficiency. The H2 percentage mix can range from 0 to almost 100% in certain operating conditions, so allowing an average CO2 reduction of 50% versus the reference natural gas version. But we do not stop here, and we have a surprise for you now. The world premiere of the new hydrogen engine, which further expands our alternative fuel range. Let's have a look. So this is the Cursor 9 H2, 9-liter engine of the Cursor family with a specific cylinder head and air fuel system for hydrogen combustion. It delivers 310 horsepower with near zero NOx MPM emission. Cursor 9 H2 ICE is, of course, a carbon zero solution with competitive TCO compared to fuel cell and with maintenance similar to any standard ICE vehicle. As you heard this morning from our Iveco colleague at the press conference, can also be used as a range extender in electric trucks and also in possible intercity bus and power generation application. You can go to all 24 at Iveco booth to check how we have integrated the Cursor 9 to the range extender solution for the Iveco S-Way. So hydrogen will boost carbon reduction worldwide, as it is suitable for long-haulage application when range, refill time, and payload are crucial. Using hydrogen in an internal combustion engine that can guarantee the same 100% CO2 reduction as battery electric vehicle. But the customers will make the choice based on their specific needs. And they can find all solutions in FPT range, not only ICE. And that's why I'm calling on stage my friend Raul. Raul, please.
Thank you, Pierpaolo. I'm Rahul Plauladil. I'm head of E-propulsion. I may jokingly describe my job as making software and hardware talk to each other in a battery electric system. As we have the best hardware and a state-of-the-art software, I have a really great job. As we know, powertrain are growing in terms of the offer width and the volume. And to stand out in the market, we focus on customer benefit. The new technology we are introducing are all aimed at the same objectives Pierpaolo just described. Cost efficiency, energy saving, easy integration into the vehicle, and continuous improvement of the customer experience. The new feature we present today, such as inverter integration, all fall into one or more than one of these categories. We are an e-propulsion full liner. We design and produce internally center drives, full range of e-axle, and battery packs together with their dedicated battery management system. Our portfolio has been built to cover any type of mission and application, from light commercial vehicles to city buses and heavy-duty trucks up to 49 tons of gross combined weight. We offer center drives solutions like the ECD140, a lean electric drive system developed for easy integration into existing rear-wheel drive LCV platform. rear axle drive like the 840R, a powerful and a reliable dual motor solution for heavy duty applications. And the front and rear axles like the 300F and the 600R. Today, we're expanding our e-powertrain range, presenting in Europe for the first time the 375R, which you can see over there. This is the one we debuted at the ACT Expo 2024 in Las Vegas. It's a second-generation integrated rear axle delivering a peak power up to 375 kilowatt. It's a single motor solution equipped with multi-speed gearbox, which contributes to a system efficiency exceeds 92%, which is a very high number. It is intended for medium and heavy-duty 4x2, 6x2 vehicles up to 29 tons, and 6x4 vehicles up to 49 tons gross vehicle weight. And now, we're also offering our commercial vehicles, expanding the range. You have seen the heavy. We presented you the medium. We have something else that we want to show you. What do you think that's going to be? Let's watch the video. Ladies and gentlemen, our latest member of our family. This, as you can see, completes our full lineup. You have the heavy, you have the medium. The only thing missing was our light commercial vehicles. Our 200R is the latest member in our commercial vehicle portfolio. This can handle application from 3.5 to 11 tons of gross vehicle weight. Thanks to our internal design of FPT Industrial team, integration of motor, gearbox, and inverter, and the coaxial architecture, it increases power density. The efficiency figure, as I was mentioning about the previous one, also exceeds 92%. Reduced weight extends the range and improves the payload. And extreme compactness leaves more room for battery packs compared to the traditional layouts. The flexible wheel-end brake and the suspension interface allows customization to meet a diverse OEM needs. And it simplifies the overall industrialization process. As I said before, we are an e-propulsion full liner, and we go beyond the e-drive. Our battery management system, the EBM5, is capable of multi-pack operation, offers the best cybersecurity and functional safety needs, and allows over-the-air updates. A modular battery range, the 37 kilowatt pack, it offers energy density and it is low weight for zero emission metropolitan mobility. Our 69 kilowatt pack for bus application. A final note on a battery pack. There are already for blockchain guaranteed battery passport. Battery passport is an identity document certifying the history of the use of the system, which also makes suppliers and components fully traceable as a further evidence of quality and sustainability. This opens up new perspective for digitalization and customer service, which I will hand over to Sergio Carpentiere, who's the head of customer service and digital.
So, thank you, Rahul, and good afternoon also from my side. Customer centricity is the principle that inspires all our activity, from concept to design and manufacturing, but is in the service territory that becomes most visible, something our customer can touch, feel, and experience. And that's why My FPT was born. My is more than a word. It's a belief and a promise. A promise to treat you as a person, to treat you as a friend, to treat you as a partner, to make you feel heard and understood, to take care of your engine as you would, and to make our customer service your own. 3 simple values sum up our approach as customer service: protection, reliability, and uptime. You can see the perfect combination of our service pillar in the MyFPT app. MyFPT establishes via mobile a direct connection between our customer and their FPT powertrains, with the possibility to be fully integrated within the customer connectivity platforms. MyFPT offers opportunities like monitoring engine performance, find the nearest FPT dealer or workshop, and receive quick and effective support in case of necessity. But to support our customer, we go beyond the obvious. A good example is the assistance we will offer to the Detroit team that will participate in the Car Rally next January, with FPT in the role of a technical partner. We will install on their vehicle a customized data recorder to collect all powertrain operating data during the competition. In this way, we will be virtually at the team side along the entire route, in the position to offer advice and to find a solution to any possible issue. Obviously, this is an extreme case history, but what we do for the Dakar Rally doesn't differ much from what we do for all our customers. Back to everyday remote assistance. Our powertrains are equipped with a digital dongle, then, when activated, transmit relevant engine data. This makes possible to monitor performance in real time, just finger tapping on the screen of your smartphone. Based on the same information, we can offer our customer proactive assistance. This means having access to customizable maintenance plan, fleet monitoring and geolocalization, complete reporting on engine usage, and more. Customers need both digitally connectivity-based services and tangible items, such as replacement parts and consumables. That's why we developed with the PLI the new FPT Industrial co-branded engine oil. It's a new lubricants line formulated with Petronas that collaborates with us from the engine development stage. These oils preserve the engine, extend component durability, and allow oil change intervals up to 50% longer. We act with another driver very clear in mind, which is part of our DNA, sustainability. With original Reman, we developed a remanufacturing process that allows us to offer second life parts and engines. Remanufacturing saves 80% of the energy that would have been used to produce a new part, and reduce global carbon emission by an estimated 28 million tons per year. So, our commitment to sustainability is at the heart of our commitment to the future. Comprehensive data analysis make assistance and service easier and more effective, but also helps us improve our product today and design our product of tomorrow. Operational feedback from our more than 300,000 connected engines feeds our unique data repository through the control room system. Processing this wealth of information, we exploit over a century of human experience that we have accumulated, and take it into the century of innovation that we have in front of us. Finally, on behalf of the entire FPT team, let me thank all of you again for being here with us, and I wish you to enjoy your experience at 2024 IAA. Thank you all.